Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a powdered advanced superfood complex beverage. This potent metabolic superfood provides your body with important vitamins and minerals to rebuild organs and become physically revitalized. According to the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice manufacturer, the innovative superfood blend helps improve metabolic levels, increase your energy, daytime cravings are reduced, faster oxidation and fat loss, support the body's joints, regulates digestion, blood pressure has improved. Lean Belly Juice is a metabolic solution that helps the body stabilize and turn meals into energy rather than fat. With regular use of Lean Belly Juice, consumers will no longer have unhealthy food cravings and will feel fuller. You'll have more energy, better joints and muscles, and a more luminous and reinforced skin. Ikaria's Lean Belly Juice makes weight loss a breeze. Lean Belly Juice can help people feel better, have more energy, and lose weight. The Ikaria Lean Belly Juice beverage can completely transform the body, have more energy to do what you love, enjoy the compliments on your new style, wear smaller clothes and feel accomplished, less inflammation in joints, feel younger. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice formula's natural ingredients burn fat. Ikaria's Lean Belly Juice is made with solely natural components to help you lose weight. The US-based manufacturing plant fulfills strict FDA and GMP quality and strength standards. Nothing in the morning blend is animal-derived or gluten-free. Ask your doctor for advice before buying Lean Belly Juice. Ikaria's Lean Belly Juice is a superfood powerhouse for individuals who struggle with weight loss. Users may visit the official website today to get started on their weight loss journey.